So, you've been invited to Artisan. Here's how the platform works and where you'll spend most of your time. Most of the things you need to do live in Inbox, Tasks, and Diale. Your inbox has 3 sections. Needs action, which is everything that requires your attention. No action required, which is everything that Ava's handling or doesn't need a response. And sent, which shows all the messages that Ava's sent for you. If you respond to a lead, or they go quiet, or if Ava needs help with an autonomous response, the conversation will resurface in needs action. You can snooze conversations to be reminded later, or you can mark them as done, to never see them in needs action again. If Ava misclassifies the sentiment, you can override it manually. Next we have tasks. If your campaign has manual approval turned on, outbound messages will appear in the task tab for you to review and approve before they get sent. You'll also see any manual tasks which are part of your sequences, and platform tasks like fixing a disconnected mailbox. Next we have the dialer. If your campaigns have call steps, you'll make calls through the built-in dialer. Ava will come up with talking points for you, record the call, and draft a follow-up email for you to review and send. Find leads. You can use find leads to look up anyone. Search using filters or in natural language. On lead profiles, you can have Ava find their email address and phone number, and find a bunch of data about them. If you need any help, you can reach out to Ava directly in the sidebar, or reach out to our human support team by using the support button.